Hello everyone and welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. The cloud landscape is evolving at a breathtaking pace, and Azure is at the forefront of this digital transformation. Today, we'll take you on a journey that will unlock the doors to one of the most exciting and dynamic careers in the world of technology. In this video, we are going to explore the path to becoming an Azure Cloud Architect in 2024. But before we begin, if you enjoy watching these videos and find them helpful, then consider getting subscribed to Simplilearn's YouTube channel because we bring the best videos for you daily. Also hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. Also, if you want to become a successful cloud expert and gain handsome salary packages, then look at the wide range of cloud computing courses provided by Simplilearn in collaboration with the top universities across the globe. By enrolling in any of these certification programs, you will learn to master the architectural principles and services of the top cloud platforms, design and deploy highly scalable, fault-tolerant applications, and develop skills to transform yourself into an AWS and Azure cloud expert. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. A year of experience is preferred to enroll in these courses. So check out the link mentioned in the description box below for more details. So let's start this video with what is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the practice of using remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and process data instead of relying solely on your local computer. It allows you to access your files, applications, and services from anywhere with an internet connection, providing convenience, scalability, and flexibility for individuals and businesses alike. Moving ahead, let's discuss who is an Azure Cloud Architect. An Azure Cloud Architect is a professional who specializes in designing, implementing, and managing cloud-based solutions on the Microsoft Azure platform. Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of services and resources for building, deploying, and managing applications and infrastructures in the cloud. Azure Cloud Architects are critical in helping organizations leverage Azure's capabilities to meet their business objectives and technical requirements. So let's move ahead and now we'll go through the roles and responsibilities of an Azure Cloud Architect. The first is solution design. Azure Cloud Architects design solutions that meet an organization's needs. They assess business requirements, determine which Azure service to use, and create architectural blueprints for cloud deployments. Second is infrastructure deployment. They are responsible for provisioning and configuring Azure resources such as virtual machines, databases, storage, and networking components to support the designed solutions. Number 3 is security and compliance. Ensuring the security and compliance of Azure-based solution is a top priority. Azure Cloud Architects design security measures, access controls, and compliance protocols to protect data and infrastructure. Number 4 is performance optimization. They continually monitor and optimize Azure resources to ensure that applications and services run efficiently, maintaining cost effectiveness and high performance. Next on the list is disaster recovery and high availability. Architects plan for disaster recovery and implement high availability solutions to minimize downtime in case of system failures. Moving on to last roles and responsibility is collaboration. Azure Cloud Architects works closely with cross-functional teams including developers, administrators, and business stakeholders to ensure the cloud solution align with the organizational goals. Moving ahead, let's finally discuss the roadmap to become an Azure Cloud Architect. Becoming an Azure Cloud Architect involves a combination of education, training, experience, and certification. The initial step to becoming an Azure Cloud Architect is educational background. Start with a solid educational foundation in computer science, information technology, or a related field. A bachelor's degree or higher in a relevant discipline is often preferred. Moving on to the next step, we have gain IT experience. Build a strong foundation in IT by working in roles such as system administrator, network engineer, developer, or cloud engineer. This experience will provide you with valuable knowledge of IT infrastructures and applications. Moving on to the next step of our roadmap. The next step is learning Azure fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with the basics of Microsoft Azure. Microsoft offers various online resources and documentation to help you understand the core concept of Azure services, including virtual machines, databases, networking, and security. Moving on to the next step. The next step is Azure certification. Earning Azure certification is crucial to demonstrate your expertise. Microsoft's certification path may evolve over time, so be sure to check out the latest certification requirements on the Microsoft Learning website. Or you can enroll for Simplilearn's Azure Cloud Architect Master's program. This program will help you master the Azure infrastructure by understanding Azure Cloud Architect technology solutions, implementing workloads and security in Azure, creating and deploying apps in Azure, and securing data in Azure. This program also includes an Azure exam voucher that can be availed to appear for any one course. Candidates with 1+ year of work experience are preferred to enroll in this program, so don't forget to check out the link mentioned in the description box below for more details. Moving on to the next step of our roadmap, we have hands-on experience. Gain practical experience with Azure by working on real-world projects, create and manage Azure resources, deploy applications, and troubleshoot issues. Practical experience is invaluable. Moving on to the next step of our roadmap, at number 6, we have building a portfolio. Document your projects and accomplishments. Having a portfolio that showcases your Azure architecture and implementation work can be beneficial while applying for a job. Moving on to number 7, we have network and stay informed. Join Azure-related communities, attend conferences, and follow blogs and forums to stay updated on the latest Azure developments and best practices. Azure evolves rapidly, so staying informed is crucial. And the last step to become a master Azure Cloud Architect in 2024 is continuous learning. Azure and cloud technology evolves rapidly. Stay up to date with the latest Azure developments and regularly update your certifications to maintain your expertise. Last but not least, let's discuss the salary of an Azure Cloud Architect in 2024. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of an Azure Cloud Architect working in the United States ranges between $100,000 to $200,000 per annum, and in India, the salary ranges between Rs 16 lakhs to Rs 18 lakhs per annum with additional cash compensation. Ultimately, it all comes down to the skills you possess and the company you are working for. These figures are only the average number. So remember that the path to becoming an Azure Cloud Architect is not fixed, and your journey may vary depending on your background and career goals. It's essential to adapt and learn continuously to stay competitive in the ever-challenging field of cloud computing. So with that, we have come to the end of this video on how to become an Azure Cloud Architect in 2024. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. You should now have a good understanding of all the skills required to become a successful cloud architect. So if you're interested in learning more about different technologies, plenty of resources are available at Simplilearn. You can also check out our website for more information on different certifications. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career, click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.